Hi, it's Selena, and I just got home from Louis Vuitton, and I'm so excited to share my newest handbag with you guys. This was a gift from my wonderful husband for my birthday, and I saw this bag in the store and completely fell in love with it. And when I came home, I couldn't find any videos or reviews about it, any information online, because apparently this bag just came out and it's very new. So I thought, why not unbox it and reveal it to you guys in case anyone was interested in this bag and it was in the same predicament as I was. So I purchased this, like I said, just now at Louis Vuitton at the Portland, Oregon store. And here is my proof of purchase. I do apologize in advance if I look down on the screen. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm in focus because this is my first video and I'm just so excited to share this bag with you guys. So beautiful. Okay. So here is the box. So wait. Okay. So here's the box with the standard leather cord around it. Let's take this off. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. And it is not a big box. Let's open it up to reveal a dust bag. This is a flap dust bag, not the drawstring. I don't have a preference. I'm fine with the flap. Let's open it up. Dun, 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 dun. Here it, no, not yet, here it is. Ah, it's so pretty. Okay, hold on. This is more of the truer color. Hold on. So it is not as pink as it looks on camera. This is probably, I would say, the truest color right here. So sorry about that little thing I did. I was trying to show you the color because it looks really, really bright fuchsia on camera because of the natural sunlight that's coming in, but it's not that bright. So this is the Louis Vuitton, sorry, completely forgot, the Louis Vuitton, let's try again. This is the Louis Vuitton Cluny BB in Epi Leather in the color Grenade. This size comes in 3 colors, Rose Ballerine, Black, and Grenade. I don't like pink, which I know sounds weird. I don't like baby pastel pinks. I like bright colors. I don't like pastels in general. And black, well, I have black. I mean, doesn't everyone have black bags? So this is just the most beautiful color. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, and so this is the Epi Leather. You see how shiny it is? So pretty. This is the Epi Leather with the smooth leather on the sides. And the back, side, bottom. It does feature 4 feet. And this bag does have silver hardware, as Epi Leather tends to have, if I'm not mistaken. And it does have this plastic LV in the same color. And this bag really reminds me of the Hermes Kelly bag. I think it's like a modern reinterpretation of the Kelly bag, in my opinion. And it does feature a clochette that is embossed with Louis Vuitton Paris. And this has a little clasp that is also engraved. Now this bag does not come with a lock and keys because it is a magnetic closure bag. It opens like this, and it's very difficult to open. Like, it's hard. I think it's magnetized all along the flap so it doesn't open in case it tips over, which is really nice. I like that. So you really have to work at it. So here's the magnet and the plaque that's engraved. And this does feature a beautiful chocolate suede felt lining. Okay, there you go. And this bag does come with a long detachable strap option, which I love because I do not like bags that constrain me in how I use them because I'm finicky. I don't want to just have to carry it on my hand, in the crook of my arm or in my hand. So this is a single top handle bag with a long detachable shoulder strap. And this is also embossed Louis Vuitton. Okay, sorry, let's get to the inside again. Okay, so this does have one zippered pocket, and this is sewn, so you can't, there's no like slip in here. Let's open this up. Zip it. Okay, so the pocket does run the depth of the bag. Well, actually, no, it doesn't. It runs about up to here. It is a very generous deep pocket. And then there's one main compartment and two back slips. Now this bag was made in Spain. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, can you see that? Because I do not believe that these bags are made in France. I could be mistaken, but that's what I heard. That these are just made in Spain across the board, in other countries as well. Like being sold in other countries are made in Spain too. So it looks like that. Comes with the cards, and the date code is in this pocket right here. Okay. And so this does have the pleats on the side that have a snap button closure. But I think it's purely for aesthetics because this magnet is so strong that even if these are not closed, it'll just squish it when you close it together. So I think it's just a design feature of the bag and not intended for any practicality, because when you open it, if they're snap, you have very limited space in getting in your bag as opposed to when they're open. You can see that. It's much easier to get into this. So yeah. And these buttons are also engraved. So the dimensions of the bag are, I'm going to look on the screen right now. Hold on. Sorry about that. Okay, so the dimensions of the bag are 11.5 inches in length, 7.5 inches in height, 4 inches in depth, 1.8 inches in depth at the top. The handle drop is 4 inches, and the strap is 21.5 inches long. Now this is not adjustable. I would say the length is approximately the length of an Eva clutch strap. And this also features silver hardware and is embossed with Louis Vuitton. It's a clasp. It's so pretty. So excited. But this does have a clochette, as I mentioned, but this is bugging me. I do not like things hanging on my bags. They're like flips. Yeah. I'm probably going to take this off. So actually, let's take this off now. There you go. So now, for reference, I am 5'2" and 110 pounds. And this is what the bag looks on my body frame. I think it's a very generous size. It's not too small for a BB bag. It's really big. The bag is only 1 inch longer and 1 inch higher, and half an inch bigger in like diagonally. And so this is a very generous bag. Generously sized bag. Okay, let's put on this strap. Okay, so this is what it looks like with this strap. I'm gonna stand up for you guys. And when it's on one shoulder, it is pretty long on me, longer than I'd prefer. But I think it's fine if you're just at the store and you need to put it on your shoulder, which is what I usually tend to do. Now the strap does not fall off. Like as you can see, I'm leaning pretty significantly, and it still stays, which is nice because I have a problem with bags falling off my shoulder. And so this is crossbody right now, and I think it is a very good length. It hits me right at the hip, right at my hand level, so I can get into the bag very easily. So close it. So yeah. Now this bag is absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is exquisite. The stitching, the piping, the leather, everything about this bag is just so amazing. I love it. And it's really firm, especially the smooth leather. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's very, very well made. Now this bag was $2,500 in the States, plus sales tax. I live in Oregon, and I don't know if you know, but Oregon does not charge sales tax, which is awesome. So this is, I don't have to pay that. So, okay. Okay, this bag smells so good. Sorry, I just can't stop smelling it. If you're in the store, you have to go check it out. The bag, I think, is extremely well made. I think it's a gorgeous new addition to the LV line that they have. It's absolutely amazing. Just, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm very excited about this bag. Very, 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 very excited. Okay, so let me put some stuff in just to see how it'll fit. Filming on my phone, but I have the iPhone 6 Plus, so you can imagine in your mind what that would fit in there, but it does fit. I'll put my iPad in for reference. This is the mini, and it fits in there. The phone would fit perfectly in this pocket if that's what you like to do. I don't think it would fit in the slip pockets. They're too small. Unless you had a smaller phone. The 6 might fit. I don't know. I don't have a 6. I've never... my dad has a 6 I'm talking about. I was going to say I've never seen one. Yeah, I have. Anyway, okay. Moving on. I have my coin and bill pouch. Oh, sorry. Going in here. Can we do it? Can you see it here? Can you see the bag here? Yeah, you can. Okay, let's put this here. And I'll fill it up. I have my sunglasses. I have my... Oh, boy. Well, let's hope that doesn't happen again. Okay, so I have my sunglasses, my gum and lip stuff. I have my keys and my wallet. I do use the clay pochette as my wallet, but a full-size wallet will fit in here. And can you see that? Yeah, you can. Okay. The clay does fit into these side pockets. So it is roughly the width of a clay, and this is how high it goes. So it's a pretty small slip pocket. These two slip pockets are pretty small. And so this is what it looks like. Now, I don't tend to carry that much stuff with me, but like I would never carry my iPad, but it still fits, and it fits absolutely fine. Here you go. Let's take that out. Without it, you have a lot of room, in my opinion. I mean, even if you do tend to carry more stuff with you, I think you could definitely use this as an evening bag. I think it's classy enough, and it's not small, but it's small enough and classy enough to be used as an evening bag, I think, if it's not like a fancy formal event, but you're just going out, to dinner or going to some show. I think this would be fine as an evening bag. But even as a day bag, maybe not like a work bag, but for a day bag, this would definitely carry all your essentials, in my opinion. Unless you carry a lot of stuff with you, which then try it out at the store. But yeah, that is how it fits. And this bag is lightweight. It's not nearly as heavy as empreinte leather. I think it has weight to it, but doesn't every bag. But this isn't like a bad weight. I can definitely carry this and not complain. And I do not like heavy bags, so here's that. And let's compare this to I have the Retro PM right here, the size. So this is the size comparison. So it is significantly smaller, but not that much. So let's see, it's like about here. But this is a big bag. Like for me, this is probably as big as I'd go. So here's that for you. Let's have you admire it over here because it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so the 3 tags that it had, it comes with the care booklet for every leather. It comes with a product card, which is cowhide leather. Ooh, you can't see that. Okay, there you go. And here is the information of the actual bag. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the bag, please leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. And let me know if you'd like to see more videos, or if you'd like to see an update of this bag, and for example, like a 1-month wear and tear, or how I feel about it after I've used it for some time. So let me know, and I will be happy to film a video for you guys. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!